Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to iron a shirt easy method. Lay the shirt flat and unbutton all buttons and cuffs immediately, then smooth with your hands. Heat the iron to the correct setting for the fabric type and test on a hidden seam. Work from collar to hem, pressing sections in a logical order to avoid new creases forming. Begin by flattening the collar and ironing the underside first to set the shape. Flip the collar and press the top smoothly, following the fabric grain. For cuffs, open them and iron inside first, then the outside, working around buttons carefully. Use short strokes and moderate pressure to avoid fabric shine while keeping edges crisp for a polished look. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical tips. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, I found, perfect for keeping lunches neat after ironing shirts for the week. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Drape the shirt body over the board and iron the back yoke and shoulders first. Smooth one panel at a time and press from top to bottom to avoid new wrinkles. For sleeves, align the seams and work from shoulder to cuff, using the board's narrow end for a rounded finish. If you want a smooth sleeve without a center crease, lightly press and pat rather than folding sharply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.